Messi
Lionel Messi hi football player cha ni in khovel puma du tu anga hle a offense te hi chuan an achil buruzel mayani celebrity te jinga po Messi fans an omnuala celebrity te tan po a celebrity Messi hian tunlai World Cup bora ka angat phei hi chuan hu hang a nei lian hle tun chung kan video a hian Lionel Messi tu tu Milarte chu tu tenge an ne kan thlir ho don ani mizo chonga le lin movie chi shang fia taka en theina zo stream app sa tun live film lar made in Korea ti movie munam tak mai a thona en theya a omba ka Korean horror series chuak thar If Wishes Could Kill le lin po a thona en thei turin anda thar le boke
Kong ka khong mi asu
he series hi release atanga kar khat leka Korea number 1 aron ni ngala khovela po number 3 aron ni hial lau chung chunga en nge ngai si angkha ani e zo stream hi Android apps ania Android smart TV a po installa en thei ani bok zo stream lo subscribe pin in lo mangve theu don nia pakhatna chuan Kim Kardashian Kim K le afapa saint te hi Messi fans ani mai ba ka afapa saint pei hi chuan Messi hi a achil ema Kim Kardashian le afapa te hian kumni kalta a Lionel Messi an Inter Miami ta na game ma saber a khelni khan enin saint pei chuan Messi jersey number 10 a hak nge ani Apple TV ten an komna a engti a zanina lo chuak ve te tat nge ni le tia an zo chuan Kim K chuan kafapa hi mole kafapa hian football hi a achil ve ema ti in afapa ne na football an ngaina thua soya
My son, he's obsessed with soccer.
Interviewer in Saint Chuan player du bi kana yem ti a zo le chuan te reng mai Messi ania Messi ngai mai hi Messi hi mu achak top ti in Kim K chuan a chang le ani
Does he have a favorite player right now? Do you?
Well, he has Messi, absolutely Messi. He's so excited to see Messi, yes.
Panina Jenna Ortega Wednesday TV series chang tunu po hian Messi hi adu tak zeta interview tam taka atilang chin PSG le Barcelona a Messi in khel enin hun amang chin bok a interview na pakhata chuan Messi hi ahun laia player ro pui ber te zinga mi ani ti in asoi hiala
Cool. Thanks, Messi, one of the greatest of all time.
a interview na dang le a po present an pek donin national team panga te jersey zinga adu ber thang turin anti a Jenna chuan Argentina jersey chu athang nal achan po Messi wangani
I'm gonna go for Argentina. It's Messi's last year.
Argentina 1 2
Down.
Pathumna Camila Cabello Camila hian Messi fanani ti ain poma Messi chu god tia kawin mi felle in hong takani atibok Palina Reese Witherspoon fapa hian Lionel Messi hi adu ema Messi jersey zong anei vekti an komna pakata Reese chuan asoi nge ani
Say something? Lionel Messi is my son's favorite.
No
soccer
way!
player.
He's gonna love it.
Masituna chuan ama nge po Messi fans ani to a achianu Nicole Kidman nen Messi in khel en turin an kaldun to nge ani an komna pakhata po Messi te in khel an en chungchang so hin Argentina kalom puilu tukche Messi thuthenga chu in kan tho kan lo ip char game ro pui berani Messi hi ahun laia mi ro pui ber su alo ni e ti in asoi hialani
Congratulations, Argentina. Congratulations, Messi. We were sitting on the couch, holding our breath. It was the greatest game. And I mean, Messi is just the greatest of all time.
World Cup Argentina in khel a en lai alo tang le tukle thodep te pa alo thir lai po mu tura omani pangana Beckham chungkwa Beckham chung kwa te hian Messi hi andu em pia lama Beckham club Inter Miami a khel ani wangpo hian antran em ani abikin anfanu Harper sian Messi hi adu ulutuka apa nena field chunga Messi kai lut to ni thai turin adil hial apa tan la club nei tu ber ani miawa wangin adil na chuti hlotlin ahar salau khop mai Parukna Tom Holland hian kumsang ni somni pakhat khan Ballon d'Or ceremony telve theina hun anaya chuta chuan PSG club to in adu Messi sia rengnan hian Messi jersey chu 100 chuak ngeya chumi nuwa adu angngeikin Messi chu mai ma a ngeya muta
We went to the Ballon d'Or the other day and we met Messi. It was crazy.
A interview na a Tom Holland chuan Ballon d'Or kakala Messi ka mu amma klutuk Mbappe po ka mu boka Messi kha kadu utopani mai TN por takin asoyani
I just love Messi.
Pasari na LeBron James kumsani som pakhata LeBronan Barcelona club atlo chum khan Messi nen hian anin muto a Inter Miami Messi alu nuwa an han in mo le chuan chian thatak angin anin ko avong mayani Pariat na DJ Khaled hian Messi hi adu ema wangin afapa chu fielda Messi kailu turin ro manna asiam saka afapa in Messi kudwana field lam apan lai te chuan a au zuilom lom reng a zuya a in thunun zolo
Shout out to Messi. Welcome to Miami, brother. We love you so much.
Miami kan lo ma che Messi unaw pa kan mga ilutok che tiin asoy mol bawk pakwana Will Smith Amazon Will Smith yan Ronaldo hi angay na tak zeta nima sila Messi tho puya amit ngeya ayin kela mo no chuan Messi hi dago tani ti apom angay ta ani
Back to the studio at halftime, Caitlin and the crew to wrap it up. Will Smith and Leo at halftime. We'll be back.
Somna Owen Wilson and Messi mo trumkha thengil har khobangle Jimmy Kimmel na komna a afapale no pangdang tenen Messi an mo chungchang hi asoi chwaka
Well, you know, we were talking about that because the kids on the way home, they're like, did you see he signed my shirt? And he gave me a high five. And I was like, guys, did you not see he hugged me?
Hokonga no pang te chuan kakora assign hi mo min ti a high five min pe bok anti kay chuan nang ni kha in mulavem ni kay chu min ko asin kati a ma se ka ko a ka feel masak berero chu avun mam takha ani ti inasoy
But the first thing I felt when I hugged him was like, his skin is really soft.
Ni Messi hi khovela ka player du uberani chuwangin World Cup Argentina an sakhan kahlim ani tin Owen Wilson hian asoi boka
Well, Messi's my favorite player in the world, so I was so happy when Argentina won the World Cup.
World Cup masa a Argentina an sakle Messi a muchu Christmas ni anaw pangte anlim ang maya ahlim sia thuwa asoi mol mayani som pakhat na iShow Speed Messi ay Ronaldo du zok chin iShow Speed po hian Messi a mo me chuan a thok top don hialin sha
What is Messi? Messi!
ka khong lo te in bodyguard te po Speed alaka chuan anin ringal run mai som pani na Baron Trump America amiro puiber Donald Trump hian afapa Baron Trump pan Messi a chil zia soi chuakin Inter Miami ten an champion an lom na a jam chuan ti hian a soya Lionel Messi hi tia bul chanin ka fapa in pa tunge voina local do ni sia em atia shelo ti tur tam tak kanaya katia ani chuan Messi mole ti in tak tak mo katia ti in afapa in Messi adu zia asoi chuakani
Lionel Messi is, my son said, Dad, you know who's going to be there today? I said, no. I got a lot of things going on. He said, Messi.
Chuta abulading Messi chu en le in ifan ru takani mi chata kini atia reilaute tal chu inin mu angai soccer fan ani a ifan ru kolani bok ti in Donald Trump chuan asoi zum le bokani
He's a big fan of yours. He thinks you're just a great person, and I think you got to meet a little while. So he's a big soccer fan, but he's a tremendous fan of yours.
So pathumna Ed Sheeran Messi le Ed Sheeran te hian thate po anlo ladun ve hial to Messi mu zana thil thleng Ed Sheeran hian soi chuakin player ro pui takani PSG ta na goal ma sabera thun zan kha ania a ro pui me a khop mai stadium kha angor ngeng dur dura la sa chungin anzuang so bok ke chuan ole game anchan huna chuan are ave mayang katia nima sila tiang chuan dar kar ni chung zat hun kan mangani ti in mi puitam takin Messi anlum na thom na zia asoi chuak
He's like an incredible player. He actually scored his first goal for PSG that night. So it was amazing. A stadium erupt. I've never seen. They were flares, jumping up and down, singing songs. And so we arrived and they're doing that. I'm like, okay, this will calm down when the game begins. Went on for 2 hours.
Sompalina Patrick Stewart. Actor lar tak Patrick Stewart pay hit chuan Messi nen anin mo nuwa changin akut alasil lau char charani mel.
This hand was actually in the hand of Lionel Messi.
He kut hi Lionel Messi kut vuan tu ani ti in chuta Messi kha alo don ti ka shelawa lo se ero ka ti thung kanupui hne na chuan alo omani chuan in pahni ainin ma chon theinan thei top ka chuang ka ti a ani chuan ka celebrity pass ani chuan engtin nge niang ati a katan chuan apoi reng lo kaloti ti in a interview na a Patrick yana soi ama mai ba ka anupui ne na Messi andu zia war takin interview na hiana soi chuakani Messi mu kha har satak zeta ila mu ngai hau lo tur security khau zet mai paltang te kha angaya royal family atel ang mai hi ani ti in Messi mu a hau tak zia Patrick chuan soi le bok som pangana Terry Crews Messi du luat wanga Terry Crews che dan po hi kan oi lo hial zok ome achi bai top theilawani permai Somparukna Camila Moron Model chelau tak Leonardo DiCaprio bial no hlui Camila po hian Messi hi a chil vena sakhop maya tun nai lo ka chidei join an kom na a interviewer chuan ilokal nun ber khan World Cup match en itum chungchang ka isoya ikal don ta em ti ina zota Camila chuan kaldone FIFA World Cup a hian Argentina in khel en turing ka kaldona chuan Messi mu nge ka tumbok thalak pui nge ka du bok ti in asoyani
Last time you were here, there was talk of you going to a World Cup match.
Yes, and I'm going.
You're going to go see your boy Messi?
I'm going to Dallas. I mean, I wouldn't call him my boy, but I'm going to see Argentina play in the FIFA World Cup, and I'm trying to track down Messi. I just need a photo, even if I'm in the background.
Interviewer chuan asoy phur pui thiam boka Messi hi DM mai turem ni ti in anfiam tho zui hloi bok ole khati zam khatuna tan chuan ni le phot se Lionel Messi zet zong Milarte ngai san ron Milar alo ninge ye atop kharnan tun chum World Cup a hian Argentina mi puiten pathian dot chia ti hiala an kau Messi hian anram Argentina hi a champion puile in ringem comments lama rindan le ngai dan i han soi haule sap sap te ang